If you use Gmail, Google Chrome, and an Android, then keep watching so you don't get f***ed. There's a new sneaky piece of malware that's going around that originated in Asia but is spreading through Europe and North America as well. There's an emergency email that's being sent around that then prompts you to install an extension to Google Chrome, which, by the way, also works for Microsoft Edge. And if installed, the hackers will gain access to your Gmail along with all of its information. Not only that, these cyber criminals can then use Google's web-to-phone synchronization feature to install malicious apps right on your phone. So it's basically like a very aggressive TikTok influencer getting you to install a shady app. And then this can open up a door to everything you do and store on your mobile device. Malware like this isn't all that uncommon, so remember, be careful when installing third-party applications, opening up strange emails, and following this channel. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you're having a nice day without getting hacked or something crazy like that. So today I'm covering some... Get out of my face, please. Today I'm covering some malware once again, and I just want to cover the fact that this malware is technically not designed for us, the normal people, because this malware in particular is primarily targeting high-ranking officials like diplomats, politicians, and also journalists. But the thing is, just because this specific malware is not technically designed for us, it doesn't mean that it can't hurt us, and it doesn't mean that there's not thousands of other malware out there that are designed to target the normal people, like you and me, which are normal, right? And this malware is particularly dangerous because then they can use Google's web-to-phone synchronization feature to just install any apps that they want to your phone, which potentially can compromise just everything that you have on your phone. So this sort of just shows that, yes, features like this, which I believe has been available on Android since Android came out. If you don't know what exactly it is, you can basically just go onto the Google Play Store through your browser, and then you can just browse apps and have them downloaded to one of your devices, so either an Android phone or a tablet, which is very convenient from time to time, but you can now see that we are also paying a price for the convenience, right? Because if your Gmail gets compromised, literally your entire phone is compromised as well. So because everything's just linked. And lastly, I want to say these types of malware are not uncommon. I just cover a malware story from time to time just so I make another video saying like, hey, watch out, don't download like some weird shady apps, you know, like maybe you want to check if it has like at least 100,000 downloads, maybe if it's been on the market for a little bit of a longer time. Is the developer sort of trustworthy? Because the services like the Google Play Store, they do check apps, but you can't really go through all of this code to see if there's not any malicious activity there. Not to mention that they can just update the app and then they can basically make it into malware as well. So you just need to be careful. Like I said, I make these videos from time to time because, hey, maybe there's like one person that doesn't get hacked because of this, right? Which would be pretty cool. So let me know what you think about this story, and hopefully you stay safe and have a nice day.